Welcome back, Got One in the Shed fans, for another successful completed project. As you can see, the tea caddy I was working on earlier is now all complete. And you can see on the back we have new feet. Yes, very good. No more splits or gaping holes. I think that split repaired so well. And that split there, all gone. The split on the end, completely gone. In fact, so good you can't even see which bit was actually split in the first place. Yes, very good. And internally we have nice hinges, not like the old ones that were not really right for this tea caddy. Somebody took it upon themselves and changed the hinges for completely the wrong type of hinge, which is often the case with restoration projects. It's a bloke thing, I think. People think that, oh, I'm a bloke and I can do things. I'm a bit of a DIY guru, but they're just amateurs and they end up making a mess of it, until it takes somebody like myself from Got One in the Shed to come along and totally restore such a beautiful artifact. Right, so I think we'll leave it there, and that's another successful day's project. And I think I've just earned my wages for the day by doing this, which is jolly good. It beats being a construction manager, let me tell you. Very good. And I'll see you all later. Bye bye.